Welcome back everyone to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we'll be taking a look at some Nike SB Dunk Lows. These are known as the Blue Raspberries. Let's take a quick sneak peek. To another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Today we'll be discussing a Nike SB Dunk Low. This is one of the fruit colorways, part of the fruity pack that released a little bit ago. Still haven't decided which is my favorite color, but you will see which one is when I do the final overview of the entire pack. So today we'll be discussing the Blue Raspberry color scheme, and we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this great pop of blue, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. So when you think of Blue Raspberry, I definitely feel like this is what I think of, or even a blueberry, but this is definitely a really cool color blocking scheme of different shades of blue hues. So we've got a lighter shade, almost like a UNC tone in the tumbled leather on the toe box, and on the front where the nubuck is, we do have this nice pop of royal blue. You're seeing that as well on the laces. Underneath we have a sky blue tone for the meshing, and then just kind of a slightly medium intermixed blue in between that for underneath the Nike logo, swoosh mark, and SB Nike Dunk Low Pro sign. We also get additional lighter blue laces, so if you're not feeling that darker shade of blue, you can opt out and swap these in instead. All right, so before I move to the side panels, actually, I almost forgot about the best part, which is the interior. This is the Blue Raspberry. Looks like he's a little scared. Only got 2 teeth on that one. Oh, actually, you know what? He's way more scared on the left side than he is, or no, left, right. Which shoe am I holding here? Yeah, the right side, way more scared. But this is probably the best part of the different fruit packs, is that these different fruit have different faces. Probably about to get eaten. I understand. I guess that's how you would look. All right, so let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. Wrapping around to the side panels, we're getting more of that tumbled blue leather and then overlays of this nubuck suede and this medium tone blue hue. And as we wrap around the back, more of the royal blue shade hits the back of the heel, and then we've got Nike embroidered nicely on the royal blue tone. The interior is in 2 shades of blue, and then the sneaker has the same exact color blocking on the lateral side and is then completed with a white midsole and a royal blue and light blue tone for the outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, I always highly recommend on Nike SB Dunks to size up by half a size, just because you get the additional padding here as well as on the tongue, which definitely takes up a little bit of extra space in the sneaker silhouette itself. All right, so as far as styling goes, definitely had fun styling these. I love this great color combination again of these different hues of blue. So for the first look, I decided to wear a white sleeveless top with some white cargo pants for a nice monochromatic look, making the sneaker definitely stand out from the rest of my outfit. Then for the second look, I decided to wear a simple, just white tank with a nice maxi denim skirt. And for the last and final look, I decided to go with an all black kind of look that had a little bit of striped blue detailing on the shorts, but definitely fun to mix and match with darker shades, lighter shades. I feel like they all incorporate well with this blue color blocking.
escapes, but now it's over. You can drag me down with your destructive habits. Oh, I took my time, but I made it here eventually. And baby, now that I did, I don't need to see your name lighting up my screen. You can get gone, so I can get better. You can find another vice to take the pressure. You can get lost.
All right, so as far as retail goes, these retailed at $110. They're currently going between $200 and $350 on the resale market, currently depending on your size range. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you on the next episode.
I won't be your lifeline, should have considered. I won't be yours.